Okay, you guys, I am back in the business center. So $10.99, stainless steel like steak knives. Okay, not bad. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Home Goods. I do need steak knives. You need a 36 count of spoons, $8.49. Definitely not bad, especially when Thanksgiving comes around. And you have a lot of people. You don't want them not taking, you don't want to use your fine stuff. $18 here for 36. Okay, we've seen the knife, the Dexter for 27. And you get two in here for 13. You want squeeze not water bottles, like ketchup and mustard. So they're going to be $4.69. And you get 6 in here. You can use vinegar, oil, anything you want. Okay, $4.69 for a 6-pack. It's pretty decent. You will get 9 for $4.49. So doing a buffet thing, a party, and $19 to get a 25-pack. And $9 for microfiber towels, and you will get 12. They're going to be all white. $29.99. This is made in Mexico, and then next to me is $11.99. Made in the USA. $11.99. Okay. What is this one next to me? This one's $40. The Titan Pro Comfort Mat. So this is like more, if you have a desk, standing desk, kitchen, fridge area. And $38.99, the indoor runner mat. It's not as heavy, but it is pretty long. If you're looking for something like this, Sam's Club does have one. So I want to say this one is more like the Sam's Club. Someone already had one out. It's going to be $20. Yeah, the rubber recycle one. The insulated carrier is dishwasher safe, great for catering, holds hot and cold food for up to 4 hours for $50. Very, very lightweight. Like it's just like foam. Like, look how strong she is. One hand. Until you put stuff in here, right? Okay, just like the regular Costco, this is 7 here. Your limit is 10, ends on the 22nd. I'm not too sure if this one is on a discount at regular Costco right now. And then next to me, we have the storage for $10. Your limit is 5, ends on the 29th. Storage rack, limit 5 for $200, ends on the 22nd. You need a counterfeit bill detector, $80. $80 here. $12.48. I'm looking at the time. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna edit that. 18-inch LED clock, indoor temperature for $34. I'm kind of just browsing like the business area to show you. You have the paper rolls, $11.59. Your little, quick check. You get 10. It's not a 10 count. Oh, you get 10 in here for 10. Okay. Here's another bill counter. 187, 188. I remember playing with this a lot in the 99-cent store and Big Lots. Actually, Big Lots didn't let me use it. But after school, I would work at the 99-cent store. And yeah, it was a mess. I remember a couple times this would get clogged. Sometimes it would spit out money. Cash registers are like 300 in here. That's kind of cool. And look at this, open for business. It's gonna be $90. 9 animation effects with speed control. Okay, 9 different things. That's kind of cool. Looks like it turns blue, maybe purple, green, like a white. 160 here. Large storage case is $98. Okay, I'm gonna look at this case. We have a little safe here for $220. It is a fire safe. And $400 for the digital. Okay, a 2-pack here for the flame. Oh, I need some. $5.99. Look at that. $5.99. And $10 silicone oven glove non-slip. Wonder how well this works, because I have one, but I feel like I can always feel it. So I want to say this one might be cheaper than the regular Costco. I think at regular Costco it's like $99, $100. This is $65 here. Okay, of course they have fire extinguisher. Those are $40. Surge protection, a 3-pack for $40. And you know, just like regular Costco, they have your batteries. Like the Kirkland here is $16.49. AA. This is $20. And these are $18. You want a 3-pack of floor signs. Caution, wet floor. They're only $20 and you get 3. Okay, this could come in handy, I think, for about anything. You could also even put this up if your children are playing, because I see it all the time. Just put caution and like maybe put kid paper. I don't know. That's only 20 bucks for 3. This is going to be 14. Okay. What's over here? Oh, a trash can dolly. Fit say 32-gallon can. These are 17. Now just throw that on there and carry it around. See, I'm so amazed. It looks like the pencil sharpener is $15.99. It's electronic too. Zebra is 10. Your limit is 5. These are really good, especially for work. Not bad. And only $8. Your limit is 5. Ends on the 29th. A lot of this is good for work and school. Next to it is $6.50. $11.49. We have Drano Ultra. You never find this in regular Costco. I don't even think regular Costco has Drano. And $18 for a 2-pack. And then next to me is oven grill cleaner, $8.39, and you only get 2. Pledge, you will get 3 for $13. Is that a good price for Pledge? For 3? Oh, how much is this? You get 6 in here for $6.29. How much is regular Comet now? I don't know, you guys. I kind of just get it from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, but I mean, if you want to buy it in bulk, you can. Okay, and the power wash here is 10 bucks. And look at this bad boy here. Fills 640. A 5-gallon is $70. You know what? My son uses so much soap. It is unbelievable. But I mean, I wouldn't mind buying this in bulk just to keep at the house, you know? I don't know. If you need gloves, okay, you get 4 500 count boxes, so 2,000 total for 12. And $15.99. I hear this is like really good to use. These are black, okay. And yeah, they're $15.99, the Venom. Okay, they have pop-up aluminum foil sheets, 500 count for 20. And then everything down this aisle is, you know, food, like food service. You're making food or sending your husband with a little lunch. And these are for the microwave. Yeah, $38.99. Must be what Olive Garden uses, you know. Oh gosh, I'm just so fascinated. I'm fascinated. I don't have a business, but this is, you know, kind of cool just to walk around and look around. Foam cups, food trays. Actually, there's quite a bit of moms who like to use this, like when, you know, it's time for like lunch or maybe even dinner. They're $29. You get 1,000. I haven't seen them at Sam's Club, but they say you could buy them at Sam's Club. Look, they even have pizza boxes in here. You get 50 for $28. Kind of cool. Here's this one. Has a little says pizza on it. Oh, we see this one all the time. $27. And you get 50. There we go. And here is the graphic one. It says Coca-Cola on it. These are 45 and you get 600. And here's all the hot cups, like paper hot cups, 600. These are $58.69. There's so many options to choose from. Let's see down here. This is going to be $29. This one comes with the lid, right? Or maybe you just get the lid. I think you just get the lid only. What is this over here? $7? Oh, these are forks. You get 1,000 forks for $7. So hey, if you don't want to do dishes, this is cheaper than going to Walmart and buying plastic forks. I mean, you get 600. No, you get 1,000. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. This is just you know, Kirkland for $20, and then just your regular like Kirkland paper towels. Please, I'm gonna go through this produce area right here behind me because it's really huge.